Early morning start today. We're meeting up with Fran, who's going to help us get some of the parts out that we couldn't get out with our tools we had the other day. Hi, this is me, Clifford, my wife Ruth, our little dog Percy, and our little Piper Cherokee. This is our mechanic Fran, who keeps us flying. Follow us on our adventures as we fly around Europe.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb.
So we're back at the plane and we're just doing the final strip down. It's Fran and Pedro. Taking the toe brakes out and all the other bits and pieces.
How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, all this fuel got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.